Hey everybody, I'm Nathan Black, the principal of Alexander Middle School in CWSA. And as with almost everything this year, our open house is going to have to look a little bit different than in past years. And so this video is to give you a quick overview of how that'll look. In order to limit the amount of people in a building due to health concerns, we are having all open house meetings with advisors and homeroom teachers only, and those by appointment. We'll be sending out links to that. If you're in grades 6, 7, or 8, please park in this parking lot up here and then come around to the end of the wings where you'll be let in at your time. If you're in grades 4 or 5, feel free to come around to the back and park here, and then you can also come to the wings. So when you come at your scheduled time to the outside of the wing here, there'll be a table set up and somebody will meet you, and we'll have a packet of paperwork for you. Now, we've already handed out advisories and homeroom schedules to people when they came as part of our picture day, but due to the amount of people who are learning online, we've had to make just a couple adjustments to that. So just double check, make sure who your student's advisory and homeroom teacher is. The other part of that is we'll have some additional paperwork, such as here is something you put on your fridge for decision trees of how to go ahead and know what symptoms you need to stay home from, and those type of things. And so we'll have something for you, start here, and then we'll move inside. So a quick reminder is that anybody older than 5 inside the building has to wear a mask. When you come in, we'll ask you to go directly to your student's advisory because we're trying to keep things on a 15-minute timeline. In most years, we want people to go ahead and wander the building, get an ice cream, spend some time. This year, we're trying to space people out, and so as a result, we'll ask you to go straight to the advisory. When you're done with your advisory, you can come to your student's locker, try the combination, do something like that, but please stay socially distanced, and then as soon as you're done with that, go ahead and exit out. If you have any materials you need to go ahead and bring, now would be a great time to do it. If you're interested in signing up your student for Boys and Girls Club, which is a before or after school program, you can go ahead and do that at the end of the hallways. They'll have 3 of them stationed among the various grade levels out here. So come here, go ahead and sign up, and then please, when you're done, then exit by the doors that you came in. So the final element of our open house is to be able to prepare for flexibility in case we need to shut down the schools for a short period of time due to COVID. As a result, we're going to be distributing Chromebooks to families who need them at this time during open house. So if you have a Chromebook or desktop at home, we'll ask you to please not check out a Chromebook so we can be able to make our supplies stretch a little bit more. And also of note, if you're able to bring a Chromebook to school, that will be helpful as we're planning on using Chromebooks on a regular basis. So we're going to have 3 sources of Chromebooks we'll be working with during our first quarter. Those that we check out, those that are brought from home, and then a limited supply we have on carts that we will sanitize and get to students as necessary to be able to use in the classroom. And so preparing for the worst means that we're going to be ready with our routines and sort of get used to it from the word go so that we're going to be ready whatever comes. So that's it. Open house is almost here. We've got the school year kicking off. We're really excited to get going. As with anything, if you have questions, please go ahead and reach out to us by email, phone, and we'll be able to help you whatever your situation is. All right, see you soon. Take care.